crores.
No, sorry. That was the new business individual.
Yeah, new individual. So he's
policy holder actually. So the way it works is that you pay a premium for either a limited premium, limited period or a longer period, and you take a cover for the period of next 40-45 years, and during this period the premium paid by you gets invested in the market because it is a unit linked product, and you also get a very high level of cover. The cover could be to the extent of 50 to 100 times the premium paid by the customer. In addition to it, the key features under this product are the customers will have the option to invest in 8 different funds depending upon the risk profile, ranging from the frontline equity fund, which is the highest equity level, to money market fund, and they have the option to switch between these funds. And the better thing about this product is the charges under this product. For example, the premium allocation charge, the mortality charge, they all will be returned back to the customer. So by the end of the period, the kind of money you would get under this product would be much higher than a typical return of premium product actually. So that's the brief about this product. And now maybe I'll kind of tell the stuff in Tamil actually. Okay. In the product, if you have any questions, you want to ask something.
Go ahead, sir.
So, good afternoon, everyone, and wish you all a very happy new year. Life insurance market has been seeing a very significant amount of progress and growth over last few years. Last years have been very good for us and as for the industry as well. And one of the key drivers for this growth has been launch of innovative different products. Tulip is one of the products which has been launched with this in mind, because what we realize is that there is a big upwardly mobile customer segment which wants to move from saving into investment, at the same time taking care of their families and taking care of the future uncertainties. So the product has been launched which gives a person a life cover which is up to 100 times his premium paid. So if I were to pay a premium of 1 lakh rupee, I will get a cover of up to 100 times of that, which is 1 crore rupees. And in typical, the big resistance which people have with insurance, and insurance penetration is a key priority at all levels, has been that if I take a policy which has a large sum assured, either I get a very small return towards the end, or I don't get any return if I am taking a pure term plan. So we have tried to address that using a judicious mix of a term kind of a benefit attached with a unit linked dividend, because there is a significant shift in the investment patterns in the country. So this has been designed for that customer segment in mind. And we are very optimistic about the product doing very well. The early tests which we have done, we've got very encouraging report around this particular product. So, and as we are moving into the peak season of insurance, January, February, March traditionally has been a time when insurance as a product does very well, because the saving patterns in India are like that. So the timing of the product has been done in such a manner that we would be able to cater to the large masses who are looking at savings and investment in insurance. So that's what a limited point I wanted to share. If there are any questions, both of us are happy to take.
The product was launched December 21st.
Fortnight ago.
Yeah.
What is your market share as far as the life insurance segment is concerned? What is your market share?
Overall market share you were saying. Okay. I do not remember.
So something which may be of interest for you, sir, is that Kotak Life covers almost 3% of the Indian population as their customers. So
you are referring to the lives
under.
That is 3% of lives are covered by
3% of India's population is covered by Kotak Life Insurance as a customer through our group and individual life policies.
What was your GWP in FY FY23, how much it is likely to be in FY24?
For FY23, the individual life business was around 2,500 crores, and we have seen a robust a robust growth which has happened by end of Q1 and H1. Currently, as we are looking at ending the year on a pretty strong note. Because we are going through a silent period, so it will not be possible for us to give you the exact numbers in terms of where we are going. But I can only share with you that the company is well poised for having being among the significant growing companies.
So what is the percentage of growth that you are likely to get this
Last year we had grown by 35%.
That is FY23 compared with FY22.
Yes.
How much was?
35% growth.
This year?
This year will we be in a position to share it right now?
Because
we are
in a silent period.
Till now, what is the growth rate?
Till now, what is your growth rate?
we have ended H1 with a growth of 10%. End of September, which is our publicly disclosed figure. We have grown at 10%.
Sir, the insurance வந்து லைஃப் இன்சூரன்ஸ் லைஃப் இன்சூரன்ஸ் வந்து இப்போ நம்ம மந்த்லி பிளான்ல செலக்ட் பண்ணலாம் ரைட் நம்ம வந்து மந்த்லி பிளானா இல்ல ஏ பிளானா
இது எல்லா இதுவும் இருக்குங்க மந்த்லி அதாவது மந்த்லி ஆஃபர்லி எல்லாமே இருக்கு எல்லாமே எல்லா ஆப்ஷனும் இருக்கு மந்த்லி ரெண்டுமே இது ஆனுவல் பாலிசிக்கு 1 லட்சம் ரூபா இப்போ இட் இஸ் நான் ஆனுவல் அப்படின்னா 1,20,000 ரூபா மினிமம் வந்து 10 வருஷம் மினிமம் பிரீமியம் பேயிங் டேர்ம் வந்து 10 வருஷம் அதுக்கப்புறம் மேலே ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு 10, 12 அது மாதிரி யூ கேன் டேக் ரெகுலர் பே which is till the end also அந்த ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு
returns will be after 10 years
ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ் வந்து இது வந்துட்டு the premium will be invested அதாவது பிரீமியத்தை பங்கு சந்தையில இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க அதுல என்ன ரிட்டர்ன் வருதோ அது கிடைக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி
அது வந்து after 10th இயர்க்கு அப்புறம் வரும்னா இன்வெஸ்ட்மென்ட்ல இருந்தே வரும் நீங்க இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறது
இல்லைங்க இது வந்துட்டு இந்த பாலிசி வந்துட்டு மினிமம் வந்து 25 வருஷம் அதாவது 25 வருஷம் மினிமம் பாலிசி டேர்ம் பிரீமியம் பேமெண்ட் டேர்ம் வந்து 10 வருஷம் ஸோ நீங்க வந்துட்டு உங்களோட மெயின் இது என்னன்னா உங்களுக்கு பாதுகாப்பு தான் மெயின் இது அதனால நீங்க பணத்தை நீங்க இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா நீங்க 5 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு பார்ஷியல் விட்ரால் அதாவது பணத்தை எடுக்கிறதுக்கு அந்த வசதியெல்லாம் இருக்கும் பட் வந்துட்டு எங்களோட என்னன்னா வந்து கடைசி வரைக்கும் மக்கள் இதை வந்து உபயோகப்படுத்திக்கணும் அப்பதான் ஏன்னா இது மெயினா வந்து நம்ம பாதுகாப்புக்கோசரம் பண்றதுனால உங்களுக்கு வந்து பாதுகாப்போட ரிக்குவயர்மெண்ட் வந்து 60 வயசு 65 வயசுக்கு மேல இருக்கும் ஆக்சுவலா அதனால கடைசி வரைக்கும் இதை எடுத்து போனா ரொம்ப நல்லது
சார் இப்போ மந்த்லி வந்து மேக்ஸிமம் மாசம் 3,500 ரூபாய் வச்சுக்கோங்க இப்போ 10 வருஷம் கட்டணும் 25 வருஷம் கழிச்சு தான் நீங்க
கரெக்ட்
இப்போ எவ்வளவு வரும் இப்போ மக்களுக்கு வந்து அது எப்படி நீங்க எடுத்துட்டு போவீங்க எவ்வளவு வரும் எப்படி போயிட்டு சார்
நீங்க கேட்கறது புரியுது இது வந்துட்டு நாங்க மினிமமே வந்து 25 வருஷமா ஆக்சுவலா இப்போ வந்துட்டு இந்த இல்லஸ்ட்ரேஷன் இங்க கொடுத்துருக்காங்க ஒரு ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு பார்த்து சொல்லிருக்காங்க ஸோ இதுல கொடுத்துருக்க இது பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்ப ஒரு ஆள் வந்துட்டு 2 லட்சம் ரூபாய் வந்துட்டு 10 வருஷம் கட்டுறாரு அவருக்கு வந்துட்டு அட் த எண்ட் ஆஃப் த கடைசி பீரியட் வந்து அவருக்கு வந்துட்டு 2 கோடி ரூபாய் கிடைக்கும் அண்ட் அது வந்து அண்டர் 8% நம்ம ஏர்ன் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அந்த அளவுக்கு வரும் ஆக்சுவலா இதே கொஞ்சம் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் ரிட்டர்ன் கம்மியா இருந்ததுன்னா அதுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும்
Sir, what was the reason for 35% growth over FY22?
What was the reason you're asking?
See, last financial year, the growth was driven by 3 factors. The first factor was that post-pandemic there is a significant amount of awareness in the population about both life insurance and health insurance, and insurance people have seen as a significant benefit which they have got. So the customer awareness is much higher than what it was in past. The second reason is the introduction of new and different kind of products which has happened, because life insurance business over last 5 years has seen a number of different kind of products being launched, and which has got we have been able to launch products in both in the terms of traditional participating products, non-participating product, which is the guaranteed products. Annuity products have started to come up, which is again a very big market which is coming in. A big part of a significant part of people are retiring, so they are investing into annuity. And the third is strong performance in the stock market, which has led to unit-linked business coming. So, so one, it has been because of the interest level of the customers. Two, it is in terms of the kind of products which has been there. And three is last year, Kotak Life increased its branch count from 225 to 268. So we grew our branch count as well. So all these three factors, better expansion, better awareness and better products have led to this kind of growth.
So leaving aside these post-pandemic, the other two factors contributed only 10%, right? Because you see this year also you have grown only.
See, this year there is a very significant regulatory, financial change which has happened. If you recall, in the budget this year, life insurance products, maturity of a product is now taxable if a person is investing more than 5 lakh rupees. So that means that, and this is a provision brought in the budget. So that means that a segment of customer who would have ideally invested a higher amount of premium earlier is now going to have an second thought because of the this budget provision. I think the budget provision also good because it allows you to reach more customers and reach a larger population. But the insurance companies have taken a short-term correction as a result of it. That is the reason why this change has happened.
So the new provision in the budget
Yeah.
is discouraging people from investing in life insurance products, in the sense not on par with the FY23.
So if you look at it, stated objective. I'll answer that.
Yeah, you please state this question because your growth has been 35% in the FY23, but it has dropped to 10%. So in that context.
So I just wanted to bring in here, because we should be good in numbers.